Recently, I came across a product called Walker Skin Protect, and it's being marketed online as a powerful anti-aging serum specifically designed for black skin. The ads claim it can remove dark spots, reduce collagen, eliminate wrinkles, tighten aging skin, and even make you look up to 15 years younger in just few weeks. But here's the truth. Walker Skin Protect is misleading. The claims being made are heavily exaggerated and not supported by reliable scientific evidence. Before I continue, a quick disclaimer. This video is for education and awareness purpose only. I'm not selling anything, I'm just exposing misleading products so people don't get scammed online. So now, one of the biggest red flag is the promises themselves. So, no typical skincare product can completely reverse aging, dramatically lift aging skin, or rebuild collagen at level this ad suggests. That's simply not how skincare works. Real skin aging is complex biological process involving collagen loss, sun damage, genetics, and changes deep within the skin structure. Even ingredients commonly found in serums like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or vitamin-based compounds may help improve hydration, texture, or overall skin appearance, but they cannot deliver instant facelift style transformation or make someone look 15 years younger within weeks. That brings us to another major warning sign, the fake test. The website throws around dramatic claims like the over 13 plus thousand to 13,000 a woman approved 90% or 99% dark spot removal, and yet there are no legitimate clinical studies, published research, or verified medical sources backing those numbers. That's a huge red flag. Another issue is the emotional marketing strategy being used. The ad strongly implies the most skincare products while presenting Walker Skin Protect as a hidden solution made specifically for melanin rich skin. But many of these claims are not scientifically supported. These types of messaging is often designed to create emotional trust quickly and push people into impulse purchases. Some reviews claim users look decades younger almost overnight or experienced dramatic transformation. Many of the before and after images that you see right here seem to have like a very different or very unrealistic look. Products like these are often generic skincare serums sourced from third-party manufacturers, then rebranded with aggressive marketing to make them appear like revolutionary anti-aging breakthroughs. The website usually rely on high pressure selling tactics like buy one get one free, buy two get one free, buy three get three free, and then save up to this much percent. Huge pop-up, limited stocks, warnings designed to make people buy faster. And when you step back and think about logically, the reality becomes very clear. If serum could truly reverse aging and make people look like 15 years younger in a matter of weeks, then it would be a worldwide skincare breakthrough. It would be backed by a clinical research recommended by dermatologists and covered across the medical industry, not mainly promoted through viral ads. Also, if you go through the reviews, you can see that everything seems to be like very much positive and staged. There's no negative review, a single negative review, and there's more over 4.88 reviews from all of the 356 reviews, which is very not acceptable because everyone may not like the product and there must at least be an one negative review, right? But let's be clear, Walker Screen Product Protect is not a miracle aging and anti-aging solution. At best, it may function as basic moisturizer or skincare serum. If you've seen this product or online or tried it yourself, share your experience in the comments so others can stay informed.